Hello and welcome to Martin Maths. We're continuing our exam preparation for Maths GCSE Higher, and it's a paper 2. And we're looking at first class maths paper, looking at question 20. Now involves some graphs. We're going to use algebra, and we're going to find the only point of intersection of the following graphs. So although they look like they might be straight lines, or actually that's going to be a straight line, and that is going to make a quadratic when we put the two of them together to find the intersection. Okay, right. I'm going to turn that one into 3y equal to 32 minus 8x and divide it all by 3. Then I can equate these two. So this, if I call this equation 1 and this equation 2, I've modified equation 1. Now I'm going to put the two graphs together because they're both equal to y. So 6 over x minus y equals 32 minus 8x over 3. That should at least get us 1 mark. It's a 5-mark question, but we should be able to get 1 mark there. Now I'm going to cross multiply. 18 equals x minus y over 32 minus 8x. And here's where we're going to end up with a quadratic. Okay, because we had a straight line there, and the name just dropped out of my head, an inverse function there. So 18 equals 32x minus 8x squared minus 32 plus 8x. Okay, so now 18 equals, clean up the x's, 40x minus 8x squared minus 32. Just watch the signs here. That one should be positive, that one's negative, that's negative, and that's positive. Okay, now I'm going to bring them all to this side, as it were. So I get 8x squared to be positive. I'm going to subtract 40x. And I'm going to do 18 plus 32, because I'm adding 32, that's going to be plus 50. Okay, they're all even, so I'm going to divide by 2. 4x squared minus 20x plus 25 equal to 0. Are there any other common factors? That's not a multiple of 4. That's not even. So no. So now A is 4, B is minus 20, and C is 25. And we can use the quadratic formula. So x will equal minus b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. We only want one solution, but the quadratic formula gives us 2. So let's see what happens. Right, x equals 20 plus minus b squared is 400 minus 4 times 4 times 25. And I'm hoping that's not negative, otherwise we'll have a problem. All over 2a. I can use my calculator now. So 20 squared is 400 minus 4 times 4 times 25. I should know that that's going to be 0 because 4 times 25 is 100, and 4 times 100 is 400. So that's going to be perfect because that's all going to disappear. And I have 20 plus minus 0. I don't need that anymore. All over 2 times 8, 2 times 4 is 8. So x is going to be 20 over 8, which is 16 and 4, 2.5. So that gives us the only point of intersection in terms of its x, and I'll plug that into one of the other 2 points that I have them going to this, maybe this one here. Doesn't matter, just pick one of them. Y equals 6 over 2.5 minus 1, so 6 divided by 1.5. Again, I've got my calculator. 6 divided by 1.5 is 4. So I now have x 2.5 and y 4, and that should give us a nice 5 marks. So there's lots in that. Quickly recap over it. I had to equate the two graphs, I guess using simultaneous equations by substitution. I then get this quadratic here. I then use the quadratic formula. and solving that. And luckily that all falls away, so I only get one solution because that's what the paper said, only 1 point of intersection. There we go, that's 5 marks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and good luck for your exams.